It's Sashi Corn and Sooty Corn. Say hi. And nails. Yes, I got my nails done. It looks really pink on camera, and in real, like, it's a pinky purple, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, we couldn't do like a vibrant type of pink because I had to get shellac nails done. Otherwise, I would have screwed them up, Mom, and I would not have these pretty nails to show off to our fans. Sorry, I just had to whisper something about YouTube into my mum's ear. My friend did this like the other day. Isn't it cute? And then my nails I got done today. So, what you cooking?
Spaghetti.
That's good. What are the ingredients?
Minced mushrooms, garlic, onion, chili, carrot, zucchini, tomato, Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire, however you want to pronounce it.
Don't say the secret ingredient.
You can say the secret ingredient.
So, the secret ingredient is only for our fans. Vegemite. Yes, we're Australians. We eat Vegemite. Oops. What the heck is even on this? Disgusting. So,
And we'll put some red wine in as well.
why?
Just adds a bit more flavour to it. You cook all that.
Do we always do that?
Yeah.
Oh, so I eat wine all the time.
Well, that cooks the alcohol content out. There's no alcohol in it.
No worries. What do I do? This is like completely boring now. Should we talk about tomorrow's video?
Talk about tomorrow's video if you want.
Or should we make it a surprise?
Up to you.
We'll make it a surprise. Whoa, what we did today. I just came up with an idea. So start from the beginning, like when we woke up and what we did all day. We have a load of time. Yeah, because we're BitLife addicts, literally.
Watched Big Bang Theory.
Whilst I was like playing around on my phone, not BitLife, I was like maybe editing stuff on my phone.
Went and dropped the boys off at Southland.
Yeah, so we dropped off Ginger and Giant off at Southland. Those are not their actual names, you can probably tell. Are you still playing BitLife?
Mm-hmm.
Show everybody the content on your phone.
Oh, it's an ad at the moment.
BitLife's annoying like that unless you become a Bitterson. We're not Bittersons. We can't afford to be Bittersons. She's Daniel Cox, a student, 7 years old. We also went and got my nails done. They offered us a couple lemons. Like, do you want to take a lemon? I was like, sure. They're really nice people. Like, don't you think, Mum?
I do think.
Like, you can't believe how nice they are. They were, like, really chatty, and this nice lady was, like, there getting her nails done. Halfway through my nails getting done, she left because her session was finished. We were pretty much chitty-chatty.
Mm-hmm.
And I actually learned a couple of things at the nail salon about nails.
What did you learn?
That you have to use a lot of equipment to get your nails done properly. Mom just does it where it's like, okay, so coat of the color nail polish you want, unless it's that light, and we're going to do another. And then just put on clear nail polish and yeet. That's because we don't have the proper materials. even though she was a nail artist. Oh my god, is your hair still green?
Probably a little bit.
Oh my god. She dyed her hair purple like what, 3 months ago now? 3 months ago, probably almost 100 days ago. It's like her hair is still tinted. It was like purple at the tips, and now it's green at the tips. Also, just look at this hair. Curly. Mine's like slightly wavy, don't you think? So, actually, let's not keep it a surprise for the video for tomorrow. We're going off to BR Park, Black Rock Park, and we're going to be having some fun there. Sadly, City Corner's not going to be part of our video because cats hate cars. There's no purpose for Sooty being at the park anyway. He's just going to escape and probably get hit by a car, so we don't want that. So he's just going to stay home and be lazy. And I came up with a theory today. Is everything you do exhausting, or am I just plain lazy? What do you think about that theory, Mum? Oh, you want me to? Can I mix that in? I want to do something, so I'm not useless. Yay. So guys, this is our food so far. Really nice. It's gonna taste really nice. I've had this dish before. So every parent has like a signature dish. Is this your signature dish, Mum?
Mhm.
And my dad's signature dish is tomato chicken. My signature dish is noodles. I'm not a parent, but can still have our. But if I had to signature dish, but if I had something I would cook, like physically, like get off my lazy butt and like prepare and cook, I'd have to say it would be pizza. Oh my god. I can't hold the phone in one hand and the spoon in the other. Okay. So. There we go. Now I have more pep in my step. Except I'm not walking. I'm mixing. Okay. Am I doing a good job here, or do I need to or do you need to do it?
Yeah, you're doing a pretty good job there.
You can't even see what I'm doing, can you?
Yeah, that's a good job.
I'm kind of like stabbing it too to just mix up the ingredients and like chop up the sauce a bit more.
Yeah, I'll put this sauce in and you can mix that.
See, I put my phone there because I'm like not functioning properly. So we got some Lego sauce. No, we didn't put Lego in some sauce. But actually, we're really big Lego fans, aren't we, Mum?
We are.
We made a freaking dream house together.
Made a pretty cool supermarket too.
I know. I made a couple things like all by myself, like a backyard and a school. But even they were like really bad quality, so yeah. Okay, my battery is low. I'm gonna have to stop recording soon. I actually have a feel like it's getting so full, I don't want it to overflow. So I can't mix it properly. Okay. I'm just gonna show them what it looks like. Yep. Something literally tickled the inside of my nose. Am I doing a good job here?
Yep. So that's probably great the carrot and zucchini.
Do I have to keep mixing or can I just like stop
No, you
and...
can stop. Beep beep, you're a sheep.
Yikes, I hate loud noises. So we're gonna end like off the video here because I have nothing else to talk about. So let's say all say our byes from oldest to youngest.
Bye.
Bye. And